In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find traffic and streaming stats for your music on Distrokid. If you've been looking for a way to understand where your listeners come from and how your releases are performing, this walkthrough will show you exactly what Distrokid can and can't tell you, and how to read the data it does provide. First, a quick note so expectations are clear. DistroKid doesn't offer traditional website traffic analytics like you'd see in tools that track page views. Instead, it focuses on music-specific insights, things like streams, unique listeners, sales, earnings, and overall audience activity. That's often more actionable for artists because it connects directly to how your songs are performing across the stores and platforms that matter. Start by logging into your DistroKid account. Once you're in, you're ready to explore the two most useful areas for performance insights. The first place to check is the bank. This is where DistroKid aggregates the money your music has earned, and it gives you a practical view of what's working from a revenue perspective. In the bank, you'll see streaming royalties and store performance broken down by platform. This helps you quickly identify which services are generating the most income, whether that's Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, or others. Use these breakdowns to spot trends. If a particular platform is outperforming the rest, consider focusing more of your promotion there. If your earnings are spread thin across many platforms, that might signal you should double down on one or two core channels where you already have traction. Next, open the stats section. Depending on your account, you may have access to daily stream estimates, your most popular songs, and listener activity. Daily estimates are useful for gauging the immediate impact of a release or a promo push, while popular songs and listener activity can reveal which tracks are resonating and whether your audience is growing. If you see consistent spikes after a social post, playlist ad, or campaign, you'll know your efforts are connecting. If the graph stays flat, you can adjust your strategy more quickly. You can also lean on DistroKid's hyperfollow analytics and audience click tracking. When you share your hyperfollow link, DistroKid can capture how many people click through, which can help you understand the effectiveness of your marketing even before full royalties arrive. Think of bank data as the earnings view and stats plus hyperfollow as your early signal and engagement view. Together, they give you a practical, music-first picture of your performance so you can promote smarter and grow faster.